Hi there, this is Henk Sijbranda, Berthon Spain. Today I'm gonna show you a beautiful Italian lobster boat, Liberty. She is a Mochi Dolphin 44. Hi and welcome on board this Mochi Dolphin 44. She's built 2006. It's a beautiful Italian lobster boat. Here we see the large and spacious cockpit. The transom can be opened to have a nice bathing platform. The floor is laid with teak. There are all comfortable cushions. She has a large bimini that gives a good sunshade. Going to the front, we have this large sun lounge with big mattresses in the front. It has a spacious anchor locker. We have an electric sunroof. This gives good ventilation. Rails around the deck for extra safety. She has wipers on the screens in front. There's a radar arch, antennas. And here you see the new bimini. On the port side in the cockpit there's also a big storage room and actually can be used as a guest room. As we come in by the fixed sliding door, which is an option, we have a nice settee with a table. Here is also teak on the floor. Spacious steering position with all the navigation that is needed. As we go down, we step into the galley. In 2022 is installed a lot of new equipment, such as a new microwave and a fridge. Very nice Italian style and woodwork. On the port side we have the owner's cabin. This is amidships. And it has a large double bed and an ensuite bathroom. Big windows in the hull for light. Electric toilet, shower, all very stylish and Italian. Going to the front, more in the bow, there we have another guest room with a double bed. Here's the double V bed. Washing room with toilet and shower. We are going down to this hatch. We finally come into the engine room. Here we find her two powerful, upgraded from standard Volvo Penta D9 engines, 575 horsepower each. The Seakeeper is installed in 2022. We'd like to invite you to come and have a look at this beautiful Italian lobster boat.